G'day, I'm Peter from Team Low Range 4x4. Forgive the glasses, it is very, very sunny today. I'm at the Sydney 4-Wheel Driving and Adventure Expo, and as you can see, I'm going to do a whole overview of the show, and you can check it out. Of course, the Sydney 4-Wheel Driving and Adventure show is all about retail. The manufacturers of different products want to show you the latest and greatest, and that's what we're seeing here. And my first stop is at the ARB 4x4 tent. Shall I jump in?
Yeah, go for it.
All right. Shall we go for a ride? I think so. How you going, mate?
How are you?
Not too bad, thanks, mate. Sorry. Peter, how are you?
David, mate.
David, mate?
We only had this open one day because of the rain, and we were flat chat. I didn't even get to have lunch last year.
Really?
Yep. And the only reason I got a drink is because my wife brought me one. Hey, you're supposed to have passengers to come around here.
What was that?
Got to have passengers.
You gotta do a practice, what?
You had that yesterday.
You gotta find me some passengers then.
I'll jump in. We'll go around again.
I like
the
it.
smallest rock garden.
Can get you
Not even a challenge.
can get you in a bit of a trouble if you don't do it right.
Yeah?
Yeah, especially when you go on when they're wet and you forgot to put it in four-wheel drive. You get stuck because your wheels just spin on it.
Well, that's interesting. Yeah, I see it. Like my mate, he has a really old Hilux. He got like the front hubs, just similar to the 79 series, and he forgot to do it, so he was in low range two-wheel drive. Yes, that's the way.
This is too slow for in low first. It's too low.
It's too low?
Yeah. I'll be still climbing out all the time.
You're right,
I'm
mate.
forgetting about that one.
Land Rover experience. I would have thought, well,
I wouldn't want one.
no.
They're what I call a Clayton's four-wheel drive.
Yep.
Whoa, here we go.
Was that like that before?
Nope.
Oh, the wind must have blown it.
It has.
Okay, this is how you do it.
Ain't because I'm lazy and can't be bothered to get down.
Yeah, but that's what a bull bar's for. Sort of. Yeah, that'll do.
Nah, gotta make sure.
You're gonna, yeah. Alright.
Straighten it up a bit more. It's come undone. I think I pushed it too far, that one.
Yeah, well.
That'll do.
You saw in the video?
Yeah, it's absolutely nuts. We went out and had a look at when this guy drives around. It's not.
Look around at the moment and we can see what is available. And I've always been interested in the old Black Series, so why don't we go have a quick look at what they've got going on around here at the moment. So, we've all heard about the Dominator before. It's a 4-person. Let's jump on board and have a look. Oh. Well, there you go. They say it has a comfy bed, but I can tell you it doesn't feel that comfy.
So if your body swap through control, what is
Sitting
it?
down.
Still a GU. Just a number. Yeah,
No. There's the content creators tent. Unfortunately, I'm not part of that this time around, so we'll have to worry about that next year. Hopefully. Oh, I've just got to stop for a second. Look at this. It's basically like a bed only. It's pretty cool. Dual fan, no aircon though. And I guess you got the outside top bed. Interesting. As always, the Fall Driving Adventure show is pretty much about caravans, and of course you do have the presenters and the driving experiences, which I've just been on myself in the 79 series, which was pretty good. But other than that, I haven't really seen too much. Caravan. That's what you're up to. It's pretty alright if you like that kind of stuff. No, the MUX, I should say. MUX.
Isuzu MUX, yeah.
What's your name, mate?
Lawrence.
Lawrence is going to take me up the wall, I guess, or whatever it's called.
It's the Iron Summit.
The Iron Summit.
It definitely does look a bit like a vertical wall, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's all right.
So this is stock standard, this Isuzu MUX. No
Okay.
modifications underneath. So we're just in low range 4-wheel drive on the little dial. Pop it into drive. That's it.
Awesome. Looks too easy. Let's see how it goes.
So 45 degrees is the angle.
Is that its maximum?
Very close.
Cool. We're up there, see?
That's it, we're
Hi.
here now. So I'll tilt the ramp over. It pivots right in the centre, so we'll get the same 45 degrees on the way down.
Okay.
It's a pretty good view from up here. See the
It
whole
is.
show?
Ah, yes, there we are. It's the second time. Got it up on the driving range last time.
Here we go.
Cool. Make sure the camera doesn't fall off the seat. And
we
we're
go.
done. How good was that? Well, thank you for that.
Absolute pleasure.
Alright.
You survived.
I survived it. Cheers, thank you, mate. All right, let's jump in for the two-wheel extreme drive, I guess. Thanks, mate.
See you later.
All right, let's grab everything. Probably my ticket as well. Thanks, mate. All right. Yeah. Yes.
I'm probably about a medium, so the smalls are pretty small, but it fits you.
Well, okay.
Fits you
I don't
because it
know.
doesn't even fit me.
No. See, I always go with the default.
They're really small. It's better to go that way than go up and down and up and down. Better?
Yes. All right. We've got the helmet on. We're going into the D-Max.
Stock standard, no modifications of any kind.
There you go, mate. I'm Peter.
How are we?
Not too bad. Probably we should put this stuff in the bag, eh? All right. Let's dive in. All right, so it looks like...
Hang on to that with your left hand.
Yep. Looks like we're going to go sideways.
Let's see what will happen. Hang on.
Right now, Dave Shannon's taking off. Pops it in the second gear.
We're up. Look at that.
Hang on, thump coming up.
Yep. Skills. That was awesome. Has it ever fallen over?
I've never fallen over on bitumen, but it's probably always going to be a first time, isn't it?
Yeah, I suppose. Probably if it was wet, maybe. Awesome.
Usually if there's a chance that it's going to fall over, we usually abandon ship, but I've been over quite a few times on dirt and grass because that's usually where we're doing it. So,
okay.
But yet to happen on bitumen.
All right, well, I appreciate that. Thank you so much for that.
My pleasure, mate.
Okay.
So one-on-one, so we'll talk more specifically about your four-wheel drive.
Okay.
So what sort of four-wheel drive you got?
Well, it's not too different. It's actually a Toyota Hilux, the N70 model, dual cab turbo diesel.
Right.
Got the recovery gear on it and all that kind of stuff,
Yep,
the
yep,
winch and all
yeah.
that jazz.
Too easy.
Using max tracks, but because I don't find myself getting bogged or in trouble too much at the moment because the right foot gets me out of trouble.
Yeah.
So I thought it'd be better to try and learn a bit more about.
Find it big enough holes in.
Yeah, I've found some pretty good holes. I've just been very lucky. I think that's what it is. All right, cool.
So that's that. We've got it on our website, or give the office a ring.
Oh, okay.
And you can book in for the dates that you want. And,
Pricing?
$650.
$650.
If you come along to the mum and dad's weekends, that's 2 days, fully catered. Camping on site. We're down in Braidwood.
Oh, Braidwood. Okay.
So near Canberra.
Yeah.
So yeah, $650 for 2 days, fully catered all weekend, for up to 2 drivers in the car.
Welcome to the Sydney Four-Wheel Drive Adventure Show. Currently down here on the end of Bushcamp stage, we've got...
Looking into the mud terrains, I just got a quote from them, and they're going to send it down to my local place, and I might be able to dive in sooner than I thought on a set of the KM3s, even though I wasn't going to reveal what kind of tyres I'm going to run. KM3 seem to be the way forward. All right, one more opportunity to subscribe and share. Thumbs up. This is ridiculous. I'm so ridiculous. What am I doing with my hands?